In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach a document to a page, blog post, or email in Hubspot. We'll walk through a simple process that works the same way across all three content types. So once you understand it, you can repeat it anywhere in your Hubspot account. First, log into your Hubspot portal like you normally would. Once you're in, the key idea to remember is that Hubspot doesn't technically attach files the way you might in a traditional email client. Instead, you upload your document to HubSpot's file manager, and then you link to it from your page, blog, or email. That way, the file is stored in one place, and you can reuse it whenever you need. To upload your file, go to the main navigation and look for content, then choose Files. This is your central library for images, PDFs, Word documents, and other assets. In the top right corner, click Upload Files. A window will open where you can browse your computer. Select the document you want to use, like a PDF brochure, a guide, or a docx file, and confirm the upload. Give it a clear, descriptive file name so it's easy to find later, especially if your file manager has a lot of items. Once your file is uploaded, you're ready to add it to your content. Navigate to the specific page, blog post, or email you want to edit. Open that item in the editor so you can work with the text. In the rich text editor, find the sentence where you want your document link to appear and highlight the text that should become the clickable link. For example, you might highlight "Download our brochure" or "Click here to access the full guide." With that text selected, click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. A dialog box will pop up. Look for the option labeled "Link to" and open the drop-down menu. From the list of link types, choose File, then click Select a File. On the right side, you'll see your file manager. Scroll or search for the document you just uploaded and click its name to select it. Once it's selected, confirm by clicking Insert. Your highlighted text is now linked to that document. Finally, don't forget to make your changes live. If you're working on a page or blog post, click Publish or Update. If you're working on an email, click Send when you're ready to distribute it. Your audience will now be able to click the link and instantly access the attached document.